Hey beautiful people, welcome to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint a beautiful scenery painting. So let's get started with this video. I have fixed my canvas on the easel and starting the painting from background. I am using a mix-up of cyan blue and titanium white for the background. You can also use mix-up of cobalt blue and white for this. Today I have not recorded my palette because there was not much mixing of colors. I am directly putting the colors on the canvas and it is the easiest painting that I have ever done. So we are directly using all the colors on this canvas and there is nothing complex in this painting. And along with the painting, I'll be telling you which shades I am using and where. As it is a very easy painting, so I am directly drawing the house using brush because there is nothing big or complex architecture in this. This is very easy and very small stone house near the seashore. I usually paint darker shades in the background and then I use lighter ones on the top of these shades as I finalize the painting. Today I am using artist grade acrylic paints which are very rich in pigments, and in the bigger hut I have filled the color which is mix up of magenta and titanium white. For the full process today I am using titanium white only, so wherever I say white it is titanium white. And in the small hut I am directly putting the shades which are yellow, burnt umber and orange, and also later I am going to paint black in it and also some other shades. Whatever darker shades you want to paint, you can paint here. For painting the clouds I have used white shade directly. I have not mixed anything in it, and there is a small mountain in the background which I have painted using magenta shade, a very light magenta, by mixing white in it. And after painting the background and clouds I am coming to the smaller hut. I am going to finalize it, and for its finalization I am using the white shade which I have put it in the starting on my palette, and it is a bit dried up now, so it is a bit harder, and I am directly putting a lot of white paint on the canvas cause the hut which I am drawing today is a kind of old hut which is now broken and damaged and is white painted, but now from some areas the paint is removed now and its cement is now coming out. So I am painting a broken house today, not the new one. So that's why I painted some darker shades in the background which will pop out from the some cracks of white paint to provide me the very good texture of broken house. For painting plants, I firstly paint mix up of sap green and blue shade which is a very dark green, and on the top of this I used to paint sap green only or monastral green, which you can say is a mix up of sap green and lemon yellow, and sometime I directly put lemon yellow on the top of it, and sometime I mix white in it also. So it may vary as what I am painting. Today I am using sap green, monastral green and lemon yellow on the top of mix up of sap green and blue shade. For painting the door I have used a mix up of brilliant red and vermilion shade. On the top of it I have used white shade directly. There is no big mix up going on the palette. I am directly putting the shades. I am starting to paint the bigger hut from the door, which is going to be of Viridian shade, which is a close mix-up of cyan and green. And here also I'll be putting white shade directly on the canvas. But in this bigger hut, I am using the white shade with the little bit of mix up of magenta and burnt umber, or somewhat other shade like blue, or somewhere it will be orange, or many more. You can clearly identify which shade I have used and where. For painting the stairs, I am using same shades, but here we have to take care of perspective more than the shades, because perspective matters a lot in drawing the stairs. It's raining outside, so let me complete this side cactus first, then I'll be painting big cactus plant near the big hut on the rightmost side. For this, I am painting darker green and sap greens layer in the background, and on the top of it I am painting burnt sienna's layer, and then I'll be providing some touches of burnt sienna and green and monastral green and white on the top of it until I reach the final good result. We need a lot of layers to paint cactus, and it's the tricky part of this painting, but when you identify the real shades it becomes easy, and you need to put efforts in drawing this. As I'm done with the basic components of my painting, I have painted everything, so now I am giving the final details to the painting and bit details to the floor here. After all these details, I'll be showing you the final result of this painting and the closer look. Look at the painting, it is looking beautiful. It is very easy painting, yet most beautiful one. I am amazed by seeing the end result, the colors, the touches, and everything is really mesmerizing in the painting. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and you liked it. Tell me in comment section how was it, and you can subscribe my channel for watching such more videos, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.